Yo, what's going on, Pyros? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off this cake, this special cake that I got. It's a 25 shot airburst. If you guys know, you know it's something special. This is what the tube layout looks like if you guys are curious. But anyways, this is going to be a really nice piece. I can't wait to demo this off. So let's get on to the demo of the 25 shot airburst. I got this at Pro Fireworks for $25. Let's get into it. All right, guys, here goes a 25 shot airburst cake by Pro Fireworks for 25 bucks. Yeah, you should be. 25 shot airburst. Really nice 200 gram cake, 25 shot.